In this video, I'm gonna be editing these 3 reels you see on screen right now in just 3 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna do a live edit with a timer, counting down for 3 minutes, trying to edit every single one of these in just 3 minutes. So my name is Torsten Roscoe, and let's get right into this. All right, I'm gonna crack my fingers. This is gonna be our first reel right here. And let's start the timer and get right into it. So I'm gonna come over here to my timelines and hooks and try to figure out what layout I want. I kinda like this one. The reason why I love these so much is like, look at this. They're already done for you, and not just that. I'm actually gonna grab this one. Not just that, but I'll show you. All the timers in the way, dude, no. That's like a 5-minute penalty I should get. I should gain 5 minutes from doing that. But like I'm saying, the reason why I like these so much is because watch. If you feel stuck as a creator. Let's say I don't want this hook. I can just easily come over here and look at any of these hooks that are over here. And they'll work exactly with this. Like this one's pretty dope. This one's really dope too. Same with this one. Like all these are dope. All I can do is just replace it. But right now I don't really want to because there's no really point. Oh, I'm whacking on time. I should stop talking and just do this. So let's just really quick create this hook by this replacing this text. I'm just gonna listen to what I'm saying, then replace it. If you feel stuck as a— So I gotta put, if you feeling stuck, let's put this over the top left. Oh, this is gonna be difficult. That's fine though. I like a challenge. If you feel stuck, S-T-U-C, stuck as a C-R-E-A creator, and look at that, like this hook is done. I'm not gonna do this top one, and this is what we have. If you feel stuck as— I'm gonna just bring these back so it lines up and actually looks decent and not just kind of whack as shit. Let's just bring this to the left. Now let's see what it's going at. It comes in a little early. Let's put this stuck as a creator, and and you feel— Let's just delete this one too. If you feel stuck as a creator and so my hook is done and we are at 45 seconds. Fuck. We are in trouble, ladies and gentlemen. That's all right. That's fine. So because I don't have B-roll, I'm not gonna put B-roll here. So I'm just gonna delete this stuff and I'm just gonna bring this over to the left. Just like so. I'm gonna delete this transition just because I already have a transition. And then this is kind of like gonna be included in our hook. So like just like so. And then I'm gonna delete all these and again, replace what I'm saying. I also, this adjustment layer, because it's a zoom, I'm just gonna bring this out and make it just so then it zooms the entire part and it's really nice. Oh my God. We did not hit the 3 minutes and 3 reels, or the 3 reels in 3 minutes, but we did get a hook done in almost the first video done, which is absolutely crazy. I quickly finished up the reel really quick, and this is what we came up with. If you feel stuck as a creator and you feel like the algorithm hates you, it's not because of that, it's all because— I love how easy this is. Like the sound effects are already there. All I had to do is just drag and drop it. It's a done for you process. And it's so useful to me as a creator. And when I used to edit, I wish I fucking had these when I first started out. But all these other reels, we'll just finish up really quickly. So let's just come in here, look at what ones I want and kind of just get a rough estimate. This one's pretty cool. This one is really cool. It's gonna take a little longer time. So actually I'm gonna take no, I actually don't really like this one. Let's take this first one. I really love this one. So I'm just gonna drag and drop it just like so, highlight them all, go to my second reel that I have. Ooh, that's actually the one I just edited. We'll go right here, drag and drop this one, and then this is what it looks like right now. If you keep saying, I don't have time to create content, I really love these so much because they just help me stay consistent on my goals and creating high quality content just fast and simple. So I'm just gonna change this text really quick by just double clicking in here and then changing it to whatever I say. So this is the hook I came up with. If you keep saying, I don't have time to create content, and then it already has a transition. Oh my God, this is so fucking easy. What the fuck? And then we will, because these come in a little too early and I don't want these right here, I'm just going to highlight these and then come in whenever this B-roll ends, and I'll just stretch this out just so we know where the B-roll is. Also grab all the sound effects that go with these and position them right to the start. So just like so, bing, bada boom. And then it should look like this. My day was spent working. Okay, that's done. And I also, because I don't have any more B-roll for this clip, I'm just gonna grab this camera zoom and stretch it the rest of the clip just so we have some kind of movement with the captions. And if I just come in here, effects really quick, stretch the zoom out.
But the reality is,
slowly zoom. Perfect, that one is done. Now we can go on to just our third and final one, which is this one, the overthinking one. And for this, I'm thinking about combining a new hook with also a timeline. So if I just come in here and we will actually take either this one or this one. Yeah, we're gonna take this one. I really like this hook, but I just wanna change it just so we can kind of look at what hook's worth with this. So I'm just scrolling here, kind of look at what my timeline looks like. I don't have a CTA, so I'm just gonna delete these. I don't need that. I don't have any more B-roll, so I'm gonna delete that too. And then this smooth zoom, we are going to highlight all of these, bring it to the right, put that from now, just so then we kind of know what we're looking for. And then this B-roll obviously is gonna be right here, and we are going to delete these, and we're gonna go look for a different hook. So my hook I want is probably, let's look. So not this one, I don't know. Let's actually hear what I say first. So what do I say?
Overthinking is what's stopping your content from growing. I remember.
So I need kind of like a longer one. So maybe, no. I kind of like this one a lot, but no, not this one. Not this one either. I'm pretty sure it's this pink one maybe. Nope, not the pink one. This green one. It's the yellow one? No. Where is it? I want here it is. This is the one I think I want, this one. This one's really cool. So I'm just gonna come in here, highlight all these. They're just super easy, simple. It's kind of a no-brainer. I don't know what you guys are doing if you were not using this shit. I'm gonna put this B-roll right here just so then I kind of know when my B-roll is starting and when it ends. And then I'm going to drag all these out. So I'm gonna highlight them, drag them all the way out. And then I'm gonna line this transition up right here. So wherever it is cut, that's where you put wherever the next B-roll is. Drag the zoom out too. Make sure that the zoom comes over to the right just by dragging it. And now let's just listen to it.
Overthinking is...
Oh, obviously I gotta delete these. That's funny as shit. Now let's listen to it.
Overthinking is...
And now we just replace the text. So just like so. So overthinking, put this as is. Overthinking is your, oh my Lord, user error. My spelling. After just replacing the text and aligning them super quickly, this is what I came up with.
Is what's stopping your content
from going. I love that. That's actually sick. I have my B-roll here.
How good my lighting was. Take out.
And then I can have a zoom come in. So zoom / in, out, just like so. Sounds like this.
Take hours on just an edit just to make it look flawless. And then at the end of the day.
And then another thing I like to do is like kind of come into like another one. So let's go to the timelines. And let's just say I really like this kind of like fill with text. So I can just highlight these and then just grab it and put it over on this one. So let's just say I wanted to just let it go and then we can just fill this in really quick. So whatever I'm saying, just delete these and let's just listen to it. Bing, bada, boom. Easy as that, dude. That is fucking stupid. I love these, holy shit. And if you guys are wondering like where you can get these, go out in the link in the description. It's a no-brainer. Grab the retention timelines and hooks pack. I'll leave it first in the link in the description so you don't miss out on this. And if you want to learn more on how to use these to your full advantage and just learn more, go click this video right over here. It'll teach you exactly how I use these to create customizable reels in just 5 minutes. My name is Torsten Roscoe. Peace.